Hello everyone, myself Rajdeep Sharma, your mathematics educator. So student, in this video we will start with the exercise 10.2. In the previous videos we have completed exercise 10.1 and trust me, this exercise is very easy and it is about the area. Now let's start with the basic definition. What is area? The amount of surface occupied by a closed figure is called area. For example, see, this is a square. So the amount of space occupied by this square is called area. Now you might be wondering that what is this closed figure? Okay, so see student, if I'll zoom, you can see this is slightly open, this is also open, but here in a green one they all are closed. Okay, so you can clearly understood what is open and what is closed. Done. So this is the basic definition. I want everyone to note it down in their book. Now always remember the unit is a centimeter square, meter square, etc. In the previous exercise we were doing about the perimeter. So in that case we are just having centimeter, meter, kilometer. There was no square. But here in area we have this little square over our answer. So now start with the first concept, that is the rule of counting area. So how you can count? See, if we have one full square, so consider as one square unit. If we have square but it is half, so that is half square unit. If a square is more than half, then also consider as one square unit, and if it is less than half, consider it as a zero. Now what is this thing? First of all, note down all these rules into your book, and when we'll start with the exercise you can clearly understood all these rules. So chalo, without wasting much time, let's start with the exercise 10.2 question number 1. Read the question. Find the area of the following square by counting square. Okay, so here see student, yes, if I'll zoom, how many squares are you able to see? See, this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you are clearly able to see this 9 square. So what is the answer? Figure A has 9 fully filled square, hence the area is 9 square unit. Done. Now count for the square in B. 1 2 3 4 5. See this little squares. Okay, if I zoom you are easily able to see all these little squares. So just count all these little squares. 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is the answer of second? 5. That's it. You just have to count and write your answer. Now see in the figure C, so let's add all the half plus half plus half plus half. 4 times half, that is 2, and this 2, so 2 plus 2, that is nothing but 4. So right, so your answer is 4. In the similar way D, so D mein to all are full, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the answer is 8. In the similar way for the E, we again have all the full squares. So if you will count, you will get your answer as 10. Easy? Chalo. Now let's solve for the F part. So in a F, we have, I have written the statement. See, you can clearly understood. 2 fully filled and 4 half filled. So that's why the total is 4. Okay. How 4? See. 2 plus half plus half plus half plus half. Half plus half 1, half plus half 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1, the answer is 4. Clear? So in this way. Okay, so do not need to worry about anything. Alright? Chalo. So let's move to the B part. Sorry, the G part. So in the G part, 4 fully square and 4 half filled. So if you will add, so you will get your answer as 6 square units. In the similar way H, has 5 full, so that is 5 square unit. I has 9 full, so 9 square unit. Okay, look for the J part. Now take your time, give a try and let me know the answer. Chalo. So the J has 2 full and 4 half, so that is 2 plus half plus half plus half plus half, so it will give the total of 4. ठीक है. In the K part, 4 full and 2 half, so 4 plus half that is 1, so 4 plus 1 that is 5. Very easy. Chalo. Now this part na, this is very important, so I have make this a detailed. See, fully filled, so 2 are fully filled, so 2 का आंसर आ गया 2. half, there is no leaf, that is half filled, so 0, so 0. more than half, so 6 are more than half. And if you remember, in the very beginning we have seen the rules. If it is now more than half, so we will consider as 1, so 6 more than half, so 6, less than half, that is 6, so it will be a 0. So the total you will get the 8. 6 plus 2, that is nothing but 8. Okay, so yes, this was so easy. Now your part is to solve the part M and part N. Simply you, in this question now, you just have to count these squares. Okay, if one full square, so take it as 1. If you have this half kind of square, take it as half. That's it. Okay, if there are 4 halves, so simply do this addition: half plus half plus half plus half. In exam now you got half marks, half plus half 1, then half plus half 1, 1 plus 1, so answer is 2. That's it. You just have to add all these things. So in this way you have completed the exercise 10.2. there is nothing else in the exercise 10.2. So thank you so much students for watching this video very carefully. Do note all these questions into your book. See you in the next video. Till then, you get very good care of yourself. Chalo, bye everyone. Take care.